Managing your brand reputation with social CRM, huh? It's like trying to keep your crazy uncle from embarrassing you at a family gathering. A daunting task, but not impossible. In today's digital era, managing your brand reputation is more crucial than ever. With social media platforms becoming the go to source for consumers to voice their opinions, it has become imperative for businesses to keep a close eye on their brand image online. This is where social CRM comes into play, an effective tool that helps businesses monitor and manage customer interactions across various social media platforms. In this comprehensive video, I will dive deep into everything you need to know about social CRM and how it can help you build a strong brand reputation in the digital world. So buckle up and get ready for some enlightening insights. Let's face it, in today's digital age, your brand reputation is everything. One bad review or a negative comment can spread like a wildfire and leave your brand in shambles. But fear not, my friend, because social CRM is here to save the day. A CRM or a customer relationship management system is a strategy that helps you build and maintain relationships with your customers through social media. It is like having a digital assistant that takes care of your brand's online presence and reputation. So, how can you use social CRM to manage your brand's reputation? It is simple, really. All you have to do is follow these steps. First, monitor your brand's online presence. Yes, the first step in managing your brand's reputation is to know what people are saying about your brand online. This means monitoring your social media accounts, online reviews, and mentions of your brand on other websites. Think of it like eavesdropping on a conversation. You want to know what other people are saying about your brand so that you can address any issues and respond to any negative comments. Moving on to the second one, responding to negative comments. Speaking of negative comments, it is important to respond to them in a timely and professional manner. Ignoring negative comments will only make the situation worse. Think of it like dealing with a grumpy customer at a restaurant. You wouldn't ignore them or yell at them, right? You would listen to their concerns and try to make things right. The same goes for negative comments online. Another thing which is really important that you should look into when it comes to handling your brand's reputation is engaging with your customers. A social CRM is not just about putting out fires. It's also about building relationships with your customers. Engage with your customers by responding to their comments, sharing their posts, and offering exclusive promotions. Now, think of it like being a good friend. You don't just talk to your friends when there's a problem, right? You also check in on them, hang out with them, and make them feel special. Now, moving on to the fourth one, which would be social listening tools. Social listening tools can help you monitor your brand's online presence more effectively. These tools allow you to track mentions of your brand across multiple platforms, analyze sentiment, and identify trends. Think of it like having a superpower. With social listening tools, you can see and hear things that others can't. You can detect potential issues before they become major problems and respond to your customers in a more targeted way. Now, moving on to the fifth one. It is very essential to train your team when it comes to handling and managing your brand's reputation online. Therefore, finally, it is important that you train your team effectively on how to use the social CRM. Make sure they understand the importance of managing your brand reputation and how to respond to negative comments professionally. Think of it like training a group of superheroes. Your team members all have unique skills and powers, but they need to work together to protect your brand from the harm. Now, moving on to the conclusion of this video, managing your brand reputation with a social CRM is like having a digital assistant that takes care of your brand's online presence and reputation. By monitoring your brand's online presence, responding to negative comments, engaging with your social customers, using social listening tools, and training your team, you can protect your brand from harm and build stronger relationship with your customers. Social CRM is an invaluable tool to help you manage your brand's reputation and build a positive relationship with your customers. By understanding how to use it, you can make sure that every customer interaction is meaningful and that your brand stays at the forefront of their minds. I hope I have been able to provide to you with the tools necessary to successfully manage your brand's reputation on social media channels. So go forth and be the superhero your brand needs.